Okay guys, today we're going to go through how to build a basic potato cannon. All you need, 2-inch pipe, 3 feet long, bevel the edge, 4-inch pipe, 6-inch long, 4-inch coupling, 4x2 reducer bushing, clean out, barbecue igniter, 2 screws, and some ABS glue. Okay, start putting it together. You're going to take your reducer bushing, lube her up, lots of glue on there. And we're going to take our coupling, same thing. Stick those together, give her a twist, push her down. Okay, you got your 6-inch piece of 4-inch. Do the same thing. Now for the cleanup. Okay, now for ignition. We have 2 screws and a barbecue igniter. We're going to take these screws, stick them into the side. Now you're going to wire up your barbecue igniter, strip the 2 ends, stick it to both sides. Then we're going to wrap these around and bring this up here. Okay, so now that we got our screws in there, as you push this button, it creates an arc between those. We'll push button start. Now to glue on the barrel. And we're done. Okay, let's give this a test fire and see what happens.